Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 1. Write opposites of the following. A. Increase in weight. B. 30 km north. C. 80 meter east. D. Loss of rupees 700 and 100 meter above sea level. Now if we write the opposites of the following, first you have to know what is the opposite of the word increase. What is the opposite of the word increase? The opposite of word increase is decrease. Therefore, it is increase in weight. Therefore, the opposite of the following will be decrease in weight. Right? Therefore, A. It is increasing weight. Therefore, the opposite of this is decrease in weight. Decrease in weight. Decrease in weight. Number B. B is 30 km north. If we represent the direction, that is, in this way, if we represent the direction, then it is east, it is west, it is north, and this is south. Right? Now here the word is north. Here this is north direction. Now what is the opposite direction of north? That is south. Here you see that is south. Opposite direction of north is south. Therefore 30 km north. Therefore the opposite of this will be 30 km south. B is 30 km. 30 km south. Right? Now question number C. C is 80 meter east. Here see this is east. What is the opposite of east? That is west. Right? Therefore 80 meter east, the opposites of this will be 80 meter west. 80 meter west. West. Okay. Now D. D is loss of rupees 700. What is the opposite of loss? It is profit or gain. Therefore it will be profit. Profit or gain. Profit or gain of rupees 700. Right? Question number E. 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. If we put 100 meter above sea level, that is, if we consider here sea level as 0, this is above sea level, above, above, and below, it is below. What is the opposite of above? It is below. Right? Therefore, the opposite of 100 meter above sea level is 100 meter below sea level. 100 meter, 100 meter below sea level. Below sea level. Sea level. Right? Again we are repeating once again. Here you write opposites of the following, that is increase in weight. The opposite of increase is decrease, therefore it will decrease in weight. Right? Number B, 30 km north. What is the opposite of north? The opposite of north is south. Therefore, it is 30 km south. See, 80 meter east. What is the opposite of east? The opposite of east is west. Therefore, 80 meter west. Loss of rupees 700. What is the opposite of loss? Either it is profit or gain. Therefore, profit or gain of rupees 700. 100 meter above sea level. What is the opposite of above? The opposite of above is below. Therefore, it will be 100 meter below sea level. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.